Hi guys, welcome to the new tutorial on CSS again. Today we'll be discussing about external CSS. An external style sheet can be written in any text editor or it can be saved with .css extension. The external style sheet should not contain any HTML tags. Now let's see how this external style sheet works. You have to right click here, go to new, go to new text document. Now you have to give it a name my style .css. Open it up in Notepad. Remember that your CSS file should not contain any of the HTML tag. So you have to write body here. Now inside body, let's suppose I'm going to give it a background color, background dash color, semicolon, colon, and here I write light blue. So I want to give it a light blue color for the background. Now close this body tag. Now let's say I'm going to give h1 navy color, color equals color colon navy, and I want to give it margin dash left is colon 20 pixels with a semicolon. Now close this, save this file, go to file, good click on the save as and give it a name mystyle.css. So it will contain the CSS format. Now I have saved this file, close it up. Now open the new text document again and give it any name that you want. Open it up in Notepad. Now what we have to do is we have to link this CSS with our previous file. So I have to give it a name, a first tag as HTML, and inside your head section you have to link that previous CSS file here. So I will give it a name link relation equals to style sheet. Inside double quote you have to write this style sheet and type equals to double quotes text slash css and href equals to inside double quote my style dot css and double quotes close and a bracket close as well. Here, now close this head section. Now go to body section. Inside the body section, let's say I want to write in h1, this is my first heading, and close this h1 tag, or write down here in h1 the name of my channel, Nelson Darwin PogTech, and close this heading as well with a slash sign. Now let's say I want to write a paragraph. This is my paragraph, and close this heading as well. Now close the body tag and close the HTML tag as well with a slash sign. Now go to file, click on the save as and go to the desktop, give it a name my new HTML. You can give it any name. Close this file. Now here is my original file. Double click here. So Now you can see this is my this is the output of that CSS plus my HTML file. The background is navy blue, the first heading is blue, and the paragraph is normal. So that's all about today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel Nelson Darwin ParkTech, and click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you.